In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Now click on System and Update, Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and then Gvert. Last but not least, click on Text Correction over here and scroll down to use the switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!